What would you do if you could print big, bigger, and even bigger? It's time to unlock your digital images and print them big with the Canon Pixma ip8720. Brand new with an innovative design and backed by the famous Canon quality, the ip8720 printer frees your imagination. It comes with 6 individual ink tanks, including a dedicated gray ink, so you can print in beautiful color or stunning Photolab quality black and white, quickly, simply, and wirelessly. The ip8720 printer makes it easy to show off your family, create a visual centerpiece, and share a smile. And you can use the large format to craft some memories or a great school project. Showcase your creativity with the all-new Canon Pixma ip8720.